The difference between original and replica furniture. Have you ever wondered why some furniture pieces come with such a hefty price tag? Or why some furniture looks just like the real deal, but costs a fraction of the price? The answer lies in the difference between original and replica furniture. Original furniture pieces are created by renowned designers and crafted using high-quality materials. They are often made by skilled artisans who take great care in their work, ensuring that each piece is unique and of the highest quality. Original furniture is designed to last for generations, and its value often increases over time. On the other hand, replica furniture is created by manufacturers who seek to replicate the look and feel of original pieces, but at a much lower cost. These manufacturers often use lower quality materials and mass production techniques to create furniture that looks similar to the original but lacks the same level of quality and craftsmanship. While replica furniture can be a cost-effective way to achieve a certain look or style, it may not have the same level of durability and longevity as original pieces. Original furniture pieces are often considered investments, as they can hold their value over time and even appreciate in value. So, when it comes to choosing between original and replica furniture, it's important to consider your budget, style preferences, and long-term goals for the piece. While replica furniture can be a great option for those on a budget, original furniture is often the best choice for those looking to invest in quality and craftsmanship that will last a lifetime.